Hi everybody, I would like to welcome you all back to today's video. Okay, so these are the stuff that I have installed. I want to show you guys every single thing in there, and you can see I really organized. I took my time to organize every single layer into groups. I'll close it and then I'll show you how I created it. Now this is not on the channel yet, so I haven't shown you guys how to create this, but this is the PSD. I start off with the background, and then I brought in the flames. Then I think the flame also has to be part of the background, right? So, and then this is the theme, actually very simple one, and then the scriptures, and then the logo as well. The logo I decided to keep it here because I didn't want it to interfere with it, but you can keep it there. You can just drag it in there. Feel free, just drag the logo, just experiment with what you want to do with it. Okay, and then this is the youth week something there. Okay, the same thing here. Then Monday all the way to Friday or Saturday or Sunday is there as well. So you can see all the days are in there for you. Then I brought in the venue there. Then I brought in the circles. Now the circles are the little, let me show you. The little ellipse tools over there are grouped into the circles over here as well. I'm opening for you to see. Yeah, a lot in there. And then I added the date, and then I added the contact extra as well. Then I brought some finishing touches, that's the glue and all those what have you. Okay, so that is for this particular flyer. And guys, I would plead for you to subscribe to this channel, also for you to like this video, so that every one of my videos I upload, you will not miss out on any of them. Now this one I gave it to a good friend of mine. He was having a program, I think maybe 2021 or 2022. Don't reserve, let me see. Yeah, I think maybe 2021 or so. Alright, now there's it. There's also very simple, very nice, simple layout that you can also try. This is also not on the channel yet, and so this is the first time you're actually seeing it. So you can see everything is also organized over here, from the background to what was that? Okay, so I decided to mask that side, and then live recording, and then the theme there. Then I brought in that as well, the shine, and then the model. Okay, then I brought in the host, I think that's the name, and then the photos of all the guest speakers as well with the glues I gave it, and then their names as well. Everything is neatly organized, and this is how you should be designing your work. It has to be organized so that any person that takes your design will actually understand it and be able to work with it. And then the venue is also here, the logo is also there, and then that is the scriptures, and then that's the contact for you. Now when you are done with everything, it's also very advisable you try and then do the color grading. And so that's the color grading. You can see this how it was like, but then when the color grading came in, it looks epic and cinematic. Okay, so now that is this also for you. Let's move on to the third one, and then let's see. Now this one should be on the channel. If it's not there yet, it means that I'm yet to upload it, so they can also see how to create something like this. Okay, now this is one of the project. Hi, do you know one way of helping your favorite content creator is just by clicking on the like button, and then also by scrolling down and just typing any comment? An emoji can even do that for me, please. I would really much appreciate it. Projects that you need the background, or the background determines how the overall design is going to look like. So this is the background. The background determines how you even put in the text and everything on it. I don't know whether it makes sense. So once you get it, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to hide these two layers. Alright, and then let's put this in a group. Let's call it PG for the background. Okay, so now that's the background. Okay, and I add the image in there, of course. I add the name in there, and then I add the theme in there. You can see because of the background I had to put the theme over here, and then I also put in the Facebook handles, and then the details there, and then I merge all. That is, you can use Ctrl Alt Shift and E together to merge everything. Now you double click it and then you paste it in here. Ctrl V to paste it in here. Okay, once you save it, it will automatically reflect it. Now you also have to delete the merge order you create, delete it so that you can be able to use this one. So I'll activate it, and then I activate this one as well, and it looks straight. Then I add in some shines, okay, and then the contact too also there, and then an overall color grading for the face. I want the face to also stand out. So this is how I did this one, but don't worry, I'll show you how to create it from scratch. And also this is also a version of this. Okay, so I wouldn't really go through this detail because I use the same background for it. You can see I use the same background for it, and everything is neatly grouped from the logo all the way to the venue here. Everything is neatly grouped. So I'm going to close it, and then let's also move on to the other one. This is the last one. Alright, so with this, you can see once you have this mark on your text, you just have to click on it, go to your character and go and look for it. It says Motel, so that means that's the font that I used. So you have to go online, go and search for the font, download it, and then install it. Once you install it, this is going to gray out, or it's going to just disappear for you. Alright, so that is it, and then this is the background. You can see how I created it. This is the process, the layers I used to create it, and then I brought in the theme there, and then this monster. Okay, so I brought in all these details, and then I brought in the logo, then I brought in the theme, then I brought the date, then I brought the contact, an extra, then I brought the venue, then I brought the time as well. Alright, so that is it for you. Very, very simple and minimal. Alright, so guys, if you love this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to comment. Let me know your opinion so that I can fine tune and make it very nice and professional for all of you to also enjoy. Alright, let me know your comment, and then let me know your thoughts on this particular one as well. See you in the next one. Hello, real quick. So if you're watching my video and you are interested in having premium PSD files, you can just scroll down and you see seller over here. Click on it. Now these are different from the ones I give you here. These are also premium, and they are also high quality. But this is, you can see I have funeral pack. This contains only funeral flyers and funeral banners. This is it. Alright, and then this is also 50 assorted flyers over here. Now it's more than 60, I believe. This is also a Christmas bundle, and then this is my famous graphic design course. Now if you're interested in any of them, just click on the seller icon and then you have access to it. Also, once you buy two, I will just gift you with one bundle as well. Let's continue.